Morning guys, right, so I'm on a project today that I'm starting, and basically it's only a small job. I want to show this particular job off. Reason why, it's an 11-year-old pattern imprinted driveway. It's been resealed once in its life. Give it a really good deep clean, reseal it. But also what we're going to be doing on this is adding a little bit of character. The customers approached me with this idea. So on this, on the last video I posted, you might have seen it. It was 170 square metre pattern imprint, and around the edges he had an acid dye. So what we're going to do is on this is add acid dye to this, so it should transform the driveway dramatically, give it a little bit more character, just one standard colour throughout. And then what we're going to, also why I want to video this job is there is quite a bit of damage on this project. So there's cracks in areas, there's been some flaking, so I'll show you how I'm going to repair this. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so we're on an imprinted concrete driveway today over in Blackburn. So as you can see there is some damage on this. There's a crack here, got some scuff in there, wear and tear. So basically what we're going to be doing on this drive today is going to be hitting it with hypochlorite acid, give it really good deep clean, then put the rotary head cleaner onto it and give this baby a really good clean that it needs. Then what we're going to do is come back tomorrow when it's nice and dry. We're going to be repairing these cracks in the morning, and then the customer wanted this driveway to pop just a little bit and have a little bit of a change of what he's normally got. So using an acid stain, we're going to be using the mahogany acid stain along this blue. That'll bring it out to a really nice dark colour right around the edges. We're going to tart this centre up a little bit as well. So yeah, it's going to be a nice transformation, this project. I'll update you as we go along, got the time lapse running. Now spray the hypochlorite acid onto this surface. I'm using a decent sprayer, get a nice even spread. You can use a watering can, as I said before in my other videos, but you're just going to get a lot of waste and not firm coverage. So I like to go on neat with this hypochlorite acid. Again, moss cleaner that you normally get from your B&Qs. That can be like, all it adds is hypochlorite acid, but mixed, probably 10:1 compared to what I'm putting down here on the surface. Yeah, being a lot stronger does have its benefits. It's a quicker clean. You never have to give it 2 coats. Straightforward. Left the hypochlorite acid on now, probably for about 5 to 10 minutes, and already you can start seeing it work on them walls. They've come up brand new, I don't even need to hit them with a jet wash. There you go, you can see it all turning white now, fighting all the dirt and grime. Over 15 minutes now, we'll get the rotary head on.